Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to generate Consolidated HR report. Before login into PromptHR, please check that you must have rights to access reports menu. Please follow the steps. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Personnel from your left-hand side menu. Then click on Reports. Now click on HR Report Consolidated. Options for customizing the output are given here. For example, select Yes if you want to print this report for one employee only and select the name of that employee from here. Else select No. Select Business Unit/Division from here if you want to generate this report for particular business unit/division. Select Nothing if want to print it for all or you do not have multiple business units/divisions. Likewise, select Salary Grade, Work Location, Site or Employee Category if you want to generate this report for particular salary grades, work locations, sites and employee category. Select Nothing if you want to generate report for all the salary grades, work locations, sites and employee categories. Select Salary Head Type, Annual or Monthly. Monthly salary amount will be printed on the report under Salary Heads, if you select Monthly otherwise print Annually. Report can be printed employee status-wise also, so select accordingly. I want to print this report for all the employees, current, exited and who are on offer stage. So I am selecting All option. Enter cutoff date, the date you want to print this report. Select Screen if you want to see report on your screen, then Print. Select Excel if you want to export it in Excel, then Print. Here is the Excel file. This report generated based on the fields that I selected.